In a vast, icy wilderness, there lived a moose named Mortimer. Mortimer was not like other moose. He was extraordinarily forgetful. One day, as the snow fell gently, Mortimer found himself at the edge of a frozen lake. He noticed a patch of green beneath the ice. Intrigued, he ventured onto the lake. The ice beneath him cracked and groaned. Mortimer froze, his heart pounding in his chest. He knew he should return, but the allure of the unknown was too strong. He broke through the ice, plunging into the icy water. Shivering and cold, he reached the green patch. It was a lush, vibrant garden, unlike anything he had ever seen. Mortimer spent the day exploring the garden, forgetting about the cold and the danger. But as the sun began to set, he realized he could not remember the way home. Panic set in. He searched high and low, but the garden had no exit. Mortimer knew he must find a way home before the night fell and the lake froze over. In his desperation, Mortimer remembered a wise old owl who lived in the forest. He had once heard the owl speak of a hidden path that might lead him home. With renewed hope, Mortimer retraced his steps through the garden, searching for the path the owl had spoken of. He walked for hours, but found nothing. Just as he was about to give up, he stumbled upon a small, unassuming door hidden among the trees. It was the path the owl had spoken of. Mortimer entered the door and found himself back on the icy lake. He looked out at the garden, now a distant memory. He realized that the garden was beautiful, but it was not home. From that day on, Mortimer learned to appreciate the beauty of his home and never strayed from it again. He may have been forgetful, but he never forgot the lesson the garden taught him. Home is not a place to be forgotten, but a place to be cherished.